Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So para sa lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titinan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan. Money, career, finances. Ngayong September 2023. This is a general reading. Sa maari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just the reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan. So let's see, Libra. What is your overall energy? You have the Queen of Cups. Meron kang pagpapahalaga ngayon sa situation mo, sa career mo, sa business mo. So you're very thankful for the blessings na meron ka. And you are also very creative ngayong September. So let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Libra? So you have the 7 of Cups and the 8 of Swords as your challenge. So I think meron kang pwedeng maraming opportunities na nag-open up sa'yo or marami kang gustong gawin. Pero sa dami ng gusto mong gawin, hindi mo masimulan. You get what I mean? Ganun minsan no. Parang ang dami natin gustong subukan, tapos na-overwhelm tayo. Yun tuloy lalo yung nagiging limitation natin. What is the Queen of Cups? The 3 of Wands. Yes, meron kang mga gustong i-explore, i-expand. Can be your career, your business. Gusto mo mas lumago, no? And ginagawa mo naman yung best mo, no? Para mangyari yan. Kaya lang kailangan mas ma-organize mo siya kasi the more na ipipilit mo na pagsabay-sabayan yung maraming bagay, the more na hindi ka magiging productive, no? Oo. Unless i-manage mo talaga ng maayos. So what is your opportunity? You have the Judgment. So this is about changes, no? Pwedeng meron kang babaguhin na habit mo, no? Na alam mo hindi na nagwo-work for you. So it's like a rebirth, a new you, a brand new you. This is also karma. So kung you are really working hard, then definitely makukuha mo yung rewards na dinedeserve mo. Ang nakukuha ko kasi rito is some of you really want to have parang you want the best of both worlds. Pero parang hindi nyo pa kaya na ibigay yung oras at panahon nyo doon. So pumili lang kayo kung saan kayo mas magiging productive. You have the Page of Wands. So this is travel, this is excitement. Kung saan ka mas excited gawin, kung alin yung mas excited kang gawin. Kasi kahit na marami man tong nag-open sa'yo na opportunity or possibilities, ideas, meron at meron dyan na mas pinakamalapit sa puso mo. Na dun ka talaga mas nagre-resonate. It's not just about the money. This is about your passion. So your blessing is the Hanged Man. and the King of Swords. Oo. So, with the Hanged Man here, a new perspective, kailangan pag-isipan mo yung mga actions mo. Mas maging practical ka. So, I think, yung sagot dito is being practical, your practicality. Whatever will work for you, ano yung mas realistic, dun ka. Yun yung pipiliin mo. Let's see what else. Collaborate. You will be working with some people na merong parehong goal mo. And in-encourage ka rin dito na mag-increase ng iyong power, ng iyong connection, ng reach mo, yung maraming makikilala na bago. Go out, connect with other people. You'll never know na yung makakausap mo sa isang restaurant ay isa palang magaling na negosyante na pwede mong makasosyo or pwede mong maging kaibigan or mentor mo, 'di ba? So, yes, you mesmerize people with your charm. You're very charming. It doesn't matter kung ano ang inyong gender, but it seems na you can carry yourself well. Yung ba sa inyo magaling kayo sa sa sales, sa marketing, you are very confident. Kaya nga yung iba, sa confidence ninyo, minsan parang akala nyo lahat kaya nyo na pagsabay-sabayin. But of course, kung sa tingin nyo talaga na kaya nyo pagsabay-sabayin, why not? Pero be open doon sa be cautious doon sa yung mga unforeseen na possibilities, or yung mga consequences. Your calmness is necessary in this situation. Ayun. So, kung may mga bagay daw na beyond your control, palagpasin mo na. Oo, kasi wala ka namang control doon. Relax, rejuvenate, renew. Huwag mong hayaan na maapektuhan ka ng nangyayari sa paligid mo na hindi mo kontrolado. Yes, baka kasi magkaroon lang ng conflict, Be careful with who you deal with, anything related to your finances. There could be some misunderstanding with someone about money. Oo, pwedeng hindi nagkaintindihan sa bayaran, hindi nagkaintindihan sa presyuhan. Or pwede tong random na pumunta ka sa isang grocery store. Tapos, bigla na lang may pinaglaban ka doon kasi you feel na unfair. Bakit ganon? Di ka sinuklian. Yung mga ganon. Be very careful during this time kasi naka-retrograde si Mercury. As well as Venus. Yeah, I think hanggang September 4. Oo. Kasi yan baka lang. Baka lang naman magkaroon ng conflict with someone. Yung pareho kayo mainit ang ulo. Diba? Hindi kayo nagkapanagpo. See? Communication. Communication is the key to success. And then music. So, itong music na to, maaring you are musically inclined, ayan, or merong mga messages sa songs na mapapakinggan mo na resonating with your situation. So, baka nangungusap sa iyo ang inyong mga spirit guides, especially if you are making a decision. Binibigyan ka ng signs. Ayan. Anxiety isn't trying to limit you, but free you from a situation that no longer feels good. What is your discomfort trying to free you from? Yes, yung discomfort, it is freeing you from anything that is no longer serving your highest good, your highest purpose. So, kumbaga pakinggan nyo yung katawan nyo. Oo, lalo na pag wala ka na masyadong energy for your job or your career or your situation, pero yung tipong nakakain ka naman ng maayos, nakatulog ka naman ng maayos, it only means na parang nire-reject na siya ng katawan mo yung ganung klaseng trabaho. Maybe because you are being led to a new direction. O parang pinapakitaan ka na ng universe na, ito, subukan mo to. ito na yung sign na hinihintay mo, yung mga ganun. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.